autumn winter collection, H&M, the studio exclusive. I bought myself a whole bunch of fabulous pieces. Should we try them on? I think so. Let's go. Hello my darling Fumi Nation, how are you? How are we? My name is Fumidesaluvold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, you're so very welcome indeed. I am smiling and waving to all of you from London. And if you live in London, I'm still smiling and waving to you too. So today we have a kind of review, so to speak. H&M launched their autumn winter studio collection. It was quite fabulous. And guess what? Girlfriend went over to get a couple of pieces. Now some of you might be on my Instagram, all of you should, so you would have already seen this dress. I also got it for Christina. She was so tickled pink. I love doing stuff like that, and she just thought I will never be able to get this. So I got this dress, let me start with that, and it was very divided. A lot of you said I don't like it, Fumi, it needs a belt, it's a little bit this, it's a little bit that, ding ding ding. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Why? Because I'm a mom. And sometimes I have to show up at the school. Sometimes I have to have a serious meeting. And so I like this, that it's loose. I don't mind showing my figure, but not every time. And this just makes me so comfortable. It's so pretty. I can wear it to church. I can pop it off with a bit of color. I can do the black and white or just do the cream. It's just a dress that I know I need. And this works for me. This absolutely works for me. Needless to say, my darlings, I listened to what you had to say and I cinched in a belt. The belt I'm wearing here is by LooooOOOoove. Yep. And I intend to get a brown one because I just love it. So that's our number one. The next one I got was the silk turtleneck top. Beautiful. Feels like a dream. Let me get it for you. And it's a little bit sheer, would I say, and the sleeves are long. You can see that it's got this rib right here and then down also on the torso. Beautiful. I like the turtleneck. I love that. Very clean. You can wear that with a suit. You can wear it on its own, like I'm showing you here. I just wore long pants and that was it. I absolutely loved this, and I needed a turtleneck, and I was surprised because I didn't see it until I saw it on the rack. It was on the rack and it's so soft, so soft. That's what I liked about it. Very lightweight, very breathable. I think that's the word I'm looking for. Very breathable, so you're not hot, because when you're wearing layers, you want to take something off and you don't want to be hot, but at the same time you don't want to be cold. This is perfect. I will wear this always, most especially when I'm flying. You know, it's a look that you can wear when I'm going to the airport, I'm going to work, I'm going for lunch, I'm going for meetings. It's something I will wear constantly. I loved this. The leather shoulder bag. I was impressed. I was so impressed. I'm so happy I got it. I got this online. It was there. One of them is that you can take the handles off. There we go. I love the strap, don't get me wrong, but I really love to carry it like this. I've been looking for a bag this size. I was a little nervous. I wasn't sure whether it was going to be as big as it showed on the model, but it was. You know what I love about this? I walk everywhere, and so I can hide my flats in this, and I can put my heels on when I get to wherever I'm going. I love it for that. Then it has a zip pocket. Here you can put all of your money or whatever, and then here you can just put your phone when you want to easily grab it. It's a wonderful bag. I am so happy, so happy about the size, because I'm able to put in so much. Beautiful, beautiful, yummy, gorgeous bag. One of my favorites. I absolutely just loved this bag. Yes, I absolutely loved it, and it was on the website. I don't think maybe it's sold out, I'm not sure, because they still have some pieces and sizes, but this, you're gonna see me everywhere carrying this. Love it. This, my darlings, is my pride and joy. It is my absolute pride and joy, and I feel so blessed because I was told, it was on the mannequin when I got to the store, and she told me, if you come tomorrow morning, because we change out the mannequins, if you're here on time, then it's yours. I made sure I was there on time, and I was able to get it. This is a size 10, and it ran really big, and it's the most beautiful black coat I have had ever. It is so gorgeous on, so well made. I said H&M is out here in these streets doing one or two things the best. It is called the wool hourglass coat. Absolutely beautiful. It feels and looks like a coat from Ralph Lauren. That was the kind of vibes that it was giving me, and I wanted essentials. That was what I was looking for. My already complete wardrobe, actually. I needed essentials. I'm a mom, I'm a fashionista, I'm an influencer, I'm a wife. I play different roles, I wear different hats, and I have different moods. And I want to be able to have like a solid, good coat that I can invest in and I'm done with. H&M did that. And when I tell you, I went to outlets for designer coats, I didn't see anything like this. True tea. This was fun. It is called the fuzzy jacket, and it just gives me fabulosity. It really does. It really does. It's so much fun. Let me tell you. So I was in the store, and there was another girl, and she was carrying two of these. Oh, so beautiful. And so I went straight up to her. I was like, sis, what are you working with? She said, well, she's not really sure. You know, she has the extra large and she has an extra small, which was this one. I said, so what's the problem? She says, well, I want the medium that's on the mannequin. So I said, well, if you don't get the medium on the mannequin, which one exactly are you going to let go of? And she said, I'll let go of the extra small. So I said, well, if that be the case, will you give it to me? And she said, yes, I would. And yes, she did. And I snatched it right away. And when I tell you, it's great to have black coats, colored coats, but I am into right now cream. For winter, it's just so warm and it's so luxe, and it just gives me that kind of, again, Ralph Lauren, Michael Kors kind of vibe. And this is just so fashion. It also kicks off from what Naomi did in collaboration with Pretty Little Thing. Like, I can see myself wearing this as opposed to the big fuzzy black jacket Naomi did, you know, but it's the same vibe. Love it, love it, love it. I'll wear it with cream, I'll wear it with white, I'll wear it with color, I'll wear it with black. It just pops off. You know, I will wear this to the airport. Yes, I will. So if you see me, say hi. The pussy bow, absolutely beautiful. It was the color for me. It just stood out. I was like, wow. It's a must-have. You know how I feel about pussy bows, and I tell you, you know what it is? I am big busted, and sometimes it can be a distraction, and I don't like that. I don't want to be a distraction. I want people to listen to what I am saying, and I find myself wearing these kind of dresses, blouses, when I want to talk about something serious. I feel I don't have to think about it, and it gives me confidence. And so I have, as you guys would have seen, I wear a lot of pussy bow twist up to the neck. I live for it. And when I saw this, I said, Fumi, you don't have anything this color. It was such a pleasant pop of color in the collection. I wasn't expecting it. And it is called the sheer silk bow blouse. You will be asking me, Fumi, what size do you have? I have a size small. Really beautiful. The arm length, fantastic. Fantastic. And the buttons as well, so gorgeous, so delicate. And I paired it, as you can see, with velvet pants. I wore like a Chanel skinny belt, and you can go out for dinner and you look absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I lived for this. Love, 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 love. I did not know this jacket was brown. And then when I saw it up close, I fell in love with it even more. I styled it with a belt just to cinch it in at the waist, and I popped it off with pink bag, pink trousers, pink shoes. I love the neckline. The neckline is called pleat neckline because of the pleats. Absolutely beautiful. It gave me Jackie O vibes. Jackie Onassis, put on your big glasses, you're good to go. It almost feels as if it should have been a suit, that it should have had a skirt to go with it, but it's quite thick. Now, this is interesting because this is a size 14 and it fit me like a glove. I'm so happy I didn't get a smaller size because it wouldn't have fit. True tea. But it's beautiful. And it's timeless, it's classy. You will have this forever. So if they still have it online, consider this. I tried, again, like I said, I needed essentials, things that I can wear, because sometimes I don't want to wear a coat. It's not that cold, but still it's a bit nippy. And you want something that covers you up, but still stylish. They did a fantastic job with this. Loved it. Again, another pop of color. Love this sweater. Online it's called Wool Blend High Collar Jumper. I have a long neck, so this works for me. There are days when you don't feel like getting dressed. You just want to be kind of casual chic. So you wear a lovely sweater, wear your glasses, put a little bit of gloss, take your bag, lovely pair of jeans, heels, and you're out the door. This worked for me again because of the color. So nice. And so warm, very, very warm. So you really can just have like a beautiful thin t-shirt underneath this and you're good. And you might not need a coat. Beautiful color, and it just wakes me up. It just makes me smile. I love wearing color on top, and this is so gorgeous, so gorgeous. And last but not least is the beautiful twill cream suit. Heaven sent. Heaven sent. I love cream, I love white, I love how it just pops off on my complexion, and this was so beautiful. I could not resist. I truly wanted this suit. Love it. And as you can see, I threw on a bolero. I love that Marlowe color, and it just worked. This was not the studio collection. This was just the H&M autumn winter, but I said, sis, you gotta have it. So I got that. And then to polish it off, I didn't get many accessories really, but I did get a pair of long black gloves. I am looking for, I don't know if I'll be able to find it, I'm looking for a coat with short sleeves. Yeah, and I have every intention of wearing these gloves. There you go. I love this. I think it's so chic. And as you can see, your glove is there and they're like, oh my God, it's a long shebang. I live for it. And that was what I got from the H&M Studio Collection Autumn Winter 2023. Let me know if you were able to get anything from the collection. Some of you might be wondering, Fumi, why are you putting tissue on the glove? Because it's a clip hanger, and so I don't want it to indent on the leather. So I'm just putting tissue over it like so. See? Now, yesterday, I was talking to my stylist, my beautiful darling stylist Jerry actually was the one that told me, Fumi, they have the autumn winter H&M collection coming out. They also have the autumn winter studio collection coming out. That was how I got these pieces. She's amazing. Follow her. I'll put her Instagram page here. I love you, Jerry. And we were talking yesterday, and I was telling her that I wanted this particular Paco Rabanne dress, and she says, sis, Paco Rabanne is collabing with H&M, and they will have the launch of the collection on the 9th of November. I screamed. I just screamed. I couldn't take it. So you know what, guys, we will be back, because you know how much I love mesh, metal mesh. And if you know Paco Rabanne, his aesthetic is metal mesh. That's what he does. As a matter of fact, let me see if I have 1 or 2 pieces that I can show you. Oh, Naomi did a metal mesh. I'll show you that in a minute so you can have an idea. There you go. This is metal mesh, and this I got from ASOS. It's beautiful, absolutely beautiful on. So that's one. And then this is the other metal mesh. And remember how I wore it. I wore it backwards. I opened up the zip, and this is how I wore it. So he's coming out with a beautiful collection of all of this metal mesh. If that's your thing, get ready. So hopefully I'll get a couple of pieces, and I will come back and we will wear it for you so that you can tell us what we're looking like. I'm also going to put individual videos up here on YouTube as well as on my Instagram, because I know you guys love those reels. And that is it, my darlings. I hope you enjoyed this episode, something different, and don't forget to like, to subscribe, hit the notification button, and let me know whether you got pieces from the collection and what did you get. Okay, I love you. Mwah. Bye.